can actually find using values.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I love you guys.
Yeah, just move to any.
네, 가을이.
I think there are three reasons why I chose Naga University. The first was because I couldn't resist the opportunity of being part of an fully English taught program in Japan. Because since high school onwards, I've been a big fan of Japanese universities in general. So when I got the opportunity, I couldn't resist. The second reason was for the university itself. So when I was applying, I just heard the news, like I saw the news that three of the professors of Nagoya University had just won a Nobel Prize. So I realized that this university is so prestigious. I have heard the name before, but the fact that you have the opportunity of learning from Nobel Prize winners itself was quite tantalizing. And third was the program itself. So my program, automotive engineering, because Nagoya University has close proximity with the automotive industry of Japan. I thought this was an opportunity which I can't just let go, can I?
Well, Nagoya University is one of the 7 imperial universities in Japan, so which means they have access to most of the resources. So if I want to do my research, I would say Nagoya University is one of the best choices. Meanwhile, Nagoya University is considered as one of the best universities in Japan in science and engineering, which perfectly fit my plan and study in the field of material science.
So for us automotive engineering students, yes, there are loads of opportunities available for research. So from third year onwards, you are allowed to go and you can visit as many labs as you can. And it doesn't have to be restricted to your own major. So you can visit labs for civil engineering, for instance, or you can go outside engineering also. So you are given the opportunity to go visit the labs, and then you choose which lab you want, and you have an interview with the professor. If he wants, he will accept you. And you can start your research from the second semester of third year itself. So you have 1.5 years of research. As for me, I did the exact same thing, and currently I'm doing my research in a lab which focuses on human-robot interactions. Specifically, my research is more about how to create a virtual reality interactive platform interface for use in teleoperation of robots.
Most classes are conducted in big groups, but when you go on to third or fourth year, depending on your majors, you choose different specialized courses. The class size will be smaller into probably 20, or some of them will even be one-on-one. My favorite class would be computational chemistry, which I took in the 6th semester.
Life in Nagoya, Japan, it's fun, exciting, and at times, if its exam is stressful. But in general, it's quite fun. So if you are a guy who likes to go out, enjoy social life a bit too much, then yes, there are opportunities. There are lots of clubs, and that nightlife in Nagoya is not as vibrant as other places, but still good enough if you ask me. If you are a guy who likes to be indoors and interact with university and all that, we have lots of clubs and circles you can join, ranging from fine arts to sports and all that. And because you are in Japan, the food is amazing. So you can get Japanese cuisine, from the famous sushi and ramen to the more peculiar ones, such as kitsambushi, which is like a mixture of rice and meat, and it's a dish famous in Nagoya. If you want, you can go for other cuisines also. Other international places are available.
I'm currently in Nagoya University Ice Hockey Club, which we practice every 2 to 3 times a week during nighttime. And I would say joining the hockey team is one of the best choices I've made during university, because I get to travel with the team to different parts of Japan to play matches, friendly matches or tournaments. And it's also a good way for me to practice my Japanese, since we're communicating in Japanese. And yeah, I would say joining a club is a great choice for everyone. I'll say Japanese is very important if you want to stay in Japan. First of all, this is a main language in Japan, and if you want to survive here, I would say, yeah, it's very important to learn it since most of the Japanese don't really speak English. And I started as a zero Japanese beginner when I first entered Nagoya University, and now I took classes in the first year, and then I joined club to practice my speaking, and now communicating is no problem when I'm talking Japanese.
Yes, so right now I'm still unsure about what plans I'm going to take for my post-graduation life. So on one hand, I'm going to apply for the master's program in Nagoya University and some universities abroad, but I'm still not sure where I'll get the acceptance, where I'll go. As to the effect of our help available, I think there are lots of help. Actually, from the university, there is a dedicated career support office, CSO, where you can get personalized recommendations and help for be it job application, be it master's application, or be it just internships in general.
Most of us have G30 scholarship from the university or mixed scholarship from the government. I myself had a G30 scholarship, and apart from having tuition fee fully exempted, I receive money from the university every month. I would say having scholarship is very helpful since it reduces the pressure on the financial side. There are also other scholarships apart from these, but it's something you have to search on the internet. There are private organizations who provide more amount of scholarships depending on your country and also if you match certain criteria.
学就好。
Nagoya University is a really nice place to continue your stage of life, and I can't wait to see you all soon.